In last video, we saw different ways to make money on Stellar and how anyone can use those ways to make money. I also revealed my earnings, but right after I recorded that video, half of my earnings got reduced. I don't know why, but I made some changes to my strategies and also made some testings, and after that I was able to increase my earnings again and even more than what I was earning in that particular video. But more about it later in this video. Well, hello everyone, welcome to 5x Crypto. Welcome to second vlog of Stellar Earnings, the weekly series on this channel. In this video, we will see the Aquarius bribes, how you can participate in them and how you can make money out of it. Aquarius is the liquidity layer on Stellar, and let's see how we can participate in it. To interact with the Stellar ecosystem, you would require Stellar wallets. There are plenty of them like the Lobster, Xbull or Freighter. You can check out any of them, and then you can utilize these wallets to convert your XLM or USDC to Aqua. Aqua is mostly available on the decentralized exchanges, though there are some centralized exchanges as well, but it's better to get them on the decentralized exchanges due to its liquidity. So after converting your XLM or USDC to Aqua using the swap feature of your wallet, or you can also open up the web version of the swaps or the apps to swap the assets. You can open up the Aquarius official website, then check out this voting and DAO section. Over here, you would be able to find the option of liquidity voting. Simply click on it. Then scroll down over here and click on the option of with bribes. Then you would find all the pairs who are offering you the bribe. So this way, you would be able to find out the bribe percentage for each and every pair on the Aquarius. And this way, just simply click on the vote section, and after that click on chosen pair, then select the option of Aqua, and after that you can simply type the amount of Aqua that you have in order to vote for it. This is how easy it is to vote on Aquarius and then making money out of it. You can see the respective percentages for each and every pair, like for voting this particular pair or this, you can see the percentage that you would be earning in the bribes. Some pairs got 4 or more than 4%, some are lower. As more and more participants participate in these pairs of voting, then the percentage of earnings will reduce. But there's a trick to increase your earnings with the same amount of money that you have in your wallet, and for that you can simply open up the Aqua token section and then select this option of lock Aqua. After that, wait for it to load. Now here you can simply type the amount of Aqua that you have. Suppose you have 100,000 Aqua in your wallet, and after that you can lock your Aqua for a certain period of time in order to get ICE. ICE multiplies your Aqua balance. The longer you lock this Aqua, the higher your ICE balance will be, and at max you can get more than 8 times of ICE or 10 times of ICE in your wallet. ICE will boost your rewards from Aquarius. Also, by locking your Aqua, you would get upvote ICE, downvote ICE and governance ICE. And this is quite more than what you will be locking. And it will depend on how long you are going to lock and how much Aqua you are locking. So the max you can get is more than 8 times of Aqua for upvoting, because it is the upvotes that will be giving us the bribes. And in simple terms, if you are earning $10 per day using the bribes, then after locking your Aqua for the maximum amount of time, you would be earning 8 times more incentives that you were earning earlier. For current example, you would be earning $80 instead of $10. This is how it will impact your earnings by locking Aqua. But the catch over here is that the ice melts as the time goes on, and by the time we reach to the point where the maximum amount of time for which we have logged Aqua, the time we will reach that particular amount of time in future, we will be left with no Aqua in our wallet, and this way our boost and all the rewards that were coming in due to the ice will be reduced significantly over time. If you want to maintain it, you would have to keep locking your Aqua in order to maintain the boost and the higher rewards. If this seems like a hassle to you and you don't have time to manage your Aqua or ice, then you can just simply lock your Aqua, get the ice, and after that delegate it to me or any other person out there. For that, you will have to just open up this voting and DAO section, then scroll down to this option of ICE delegation. It is a newly introduced section. Just simply open it up, and after that scroll down. Here you would be able to find my name. Just simply select mine and click on Delegate ICE. And you can also check out the voting strategy of any other person out there. You can vote to any other person as well, or delegate your ICE to any other person as well if you want to. But in case if you want to delegate to me, then select this one. And this way, the person you are delegating to would be managing all your ICE and voting on different pairs to give you the rewards. All the rewards or all the bribes that you are or the person you are delegating to is earning through your votes would be credited to your account and not the person you are delegating to. So all the rewards will be coming up straight to your wallet. And the bribe reward seems to be increasing after the proposal, the recent proposal that got passed in the DAO proposals, which was 107 if I remember correctly. Let me check it out again. Yes, this was the proposal that got passed, and it increased the bribes for each and every participant in the Aquarius. So this way, if you check out the bribes and click on this option of upcoming bribes, you can see that there are some pairs with external and some with the protocol, which simply means that someone else or the third party is sponsoring that particular bribe for that particular pair if external is written. If protocol is written, then the fees that was being charged for the transaction on that particular pair, then some part of that transaction fees is getting converted to the bribes, and it is given in the form of bribes to those who are voting in the Aquarius ecosystem. So this is how these bribes are increasing day by day, and currently there was a record for the next week. There will be more than 1 million of Aqua as a bribe for XLM USDC pair. So this is such a great move, and if you want to make money using the bribes option, then you can simply participate in it. It is quite easy to make money using the bribes. There are some other ways as well that we will discuss in the upcoming videos. As for my earnings, let me open up this another device of mine because the main one is being used for the recording of this video. Let me open up the recordings. So you can see over here my current earnings are more than 500 Aqua per hour, and I'm getting this much hourly Aqua after investing around $2,800 using that particular wallet. So that's around 160% per annum. So that's a huge percentage of incentives if you ask me, because you won't get such incentives from your bank or the traditional finance. So this is a great percentage of incentive, but the catch over here is that it is quite hard to maintain this 160% for the 365 days of an year. So the real challenge comes up to maintain this percentage throughout the year, and that's why I'm recording this documentation of my journey using these weekly vlogs to understand myself as well, how I am improving in this journey of maintaining these incentives. And you can also get benefited out of it, but do your own research, and don't forget to check out the next video coming out next week.